Hey everyone, it's Adam with Susquehanna Tree Care out here. So today we are treating a client's crab apple for cedar apple rust. That is a fungus that overwinters in dead sticks, dead leaves in the tree, decomposes in the soil overwinters inside the tree's root system, and repeats that cycle year after year if untreated. So client reported that she's losing a lot of foliage in midsummer, so we're out here today. We're going to be doing an injection with our ArborJet micro injection system. This is a systemic injection, so it's going to be, plugs are going to be drilled into the tree. The fungicide along with water is going to be applied directly into the tree's cambium through the injection. We're going to be using a phosphorus acid as our main active ingredient today, so should have pretty good results for a first year treatment, and we'll walk you through our process. So there is like a metal wire in this tree that we'll have to watch for that I never noticed, but basically you get as close to the bottom of the tree as you can, try to go in on a parallel to the ground. You're going to drill in about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So now we have all of our plugs set, pretty standard length apart from each other, approximately about 8 inches. So that's going to give us pretty broad coverage throughout the entire stem of this crab apple here, especially with it being a multi-stem tree. We want to put a couple more plugs in than the rule of thumb of half. So now we're going to start injecting our solution into the tree. I have the ArborJet set at 4 milliliters per injection site. So basically the process is inject each injection site until all the solution in each shot is transpirated into the tree, and then we'll just move our way around the tree until all of the solution is out of our solution tank. Fully seed it, hit the on button, tree drinks it up, pull out slowly, there you go. Alright, so the treatment is done. All of the solution is uptake into the tree. The tree performed wonderfully, didn't have any issues there, so I think the tree is going to respond very positively to this first treatment. So the last step of our process is, since this is a new tree to us, we're going to be putting a tag on the tree. We do this so that we can keep track of all the trees that we treat since we've started treating trees. So this is going to be number 144. I'm going to put the tag on the south side of the tree so that when we go to retreat next year, we can see that tree 144 is up for retreatment, and it just helps us keep better track of the trees that we take care of. So if you have anything on your property that you might have a question of, whether it be you might have a fungal issue, insect issues, anything like that, give us a call, and we'd be happy to send myself or John Hopkins out, take a look at your trees, give you a health evaluation, and give you a better idea on what you might be facing.
Hey, it's Steve here with Susquehanna Tree Care. Thanks for checking out our video. Give us a call for any of your tree care needs. Thanks for your business.